What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today, this is the new sneakers here. Do a short review, and this is from PureShop.ru. And this one is the Travis Scott Nike SB Dunk Low. PlayStation ready to ship. If you want to copy this one, please don't forget to check out on my website. You can check more details there, and for more information, you can also contact us. And now here, let me show the shoes. This is the shoes. Look from here. The blue part with the holes, and about the Travis Scott milky white, and then these are two different textures. And about the laces here, this is the very special color here, not black one. Should be a little dark gray or something else. This is really special. I don't know what's the color of this one. And about the shoe top here, got a different logo. One got the Nike logo, and the other one got the different logo here on the shoe top. Okay, and about the side, you can look here. The side here got the Nike shoes, and here got PlayStation logo, and also the letters, this kind of logo. And about the inner side, got the cattle drake, and then the other one, this part got the PlayStation here. Got the white missile. And the bottom is the milky one. Got PlayStation here, and the other one got different letters. And about the inside, got the shoe part is the brown, and got that logo. And the other one got a different logo is the Nike logo. It's very special of this one. And about the back side, got the Sony letters embroidered. And for other, normally got the Nike logo, but this one with different. Okay, so this is the Travis Scott Nike SB Dunk Low PlayStation. What do you think with this pair? Copper or drop? You can comment below. Thanks for seeing you next time.